Alright, so I started with the warp pipe, and for this I reused this empty container I had here at home. I wanted it to be around 4 inches high, around 10 centimeters, so I cut it using scissors. Then, to make it green, I used craft foam. I cut a strip of the foam of the same height of my container. Then I wrapped it around to measure the circumference, which is the linear distance around the circle. Yeah, I totally not Googled this. I also cut another strip of the foam to make the top of the pipe, and I hot glued the strip in half to make it thicker. Simply folding the strip in half and putting hot glue in the middle, basically. I hot glued the craft foam on my container. And also hot glued the double layered foam on the top of the pipe. I glued the top strip all around the pipe, the container, before cutting it, so it would fit perfectly. I think it looked really good, but I didn't like that the inside was white. So I decided to use a piece of felt to line the inside of the container. And I simply hot glued the felt inside of the container. Using a little bit of extra hot glue on the rim. For the base, I used 6 layers of foam board measuring 5 by 10.5 inches, around 12.5 by 26.5 centimeters. And then I covered the sides with a strip of light brown craft foam. I simply hot glued the foam all around the base. I covered the top with the light green craft foam, and I cut a piece of foam bigger than the top of my base. The idea is so that I could cut these waves on the top. It doesn't need to be perfect at all, because that is going to be the grass covering all the base. I used a green permanent marker to paint the edges of the foam, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Then I hot glued the sides with the green part on top of the brown base. I used the brown permanent marker to make these dots on the base. Then I used the green marker, a not permanent, to add more details on the green part by contouring the waves on the base. Because this marker was not permanent, I was able to smear the marker with a piece of craft foam to give an ombre effect. Now for the flagpole, I used this cube I found in Michael's. It's made out of wood and it cost me around $1. I marked the center of the top of the cube and then I drilled a hole in the middle using a drill bit a bit bigger enough to fit a pencil in there. Then I painted a cube with acrylic paint, brown acrylic paint. I used this white pencil for the flag, and I just print the image of the flag, both sides of it. And used a piece of tape to laminate it, so it would be more resistant. I glued both sides of the flag with the glue stick. Then I cut the flag and used a permanent marker to paint the edges of the flag. Of course, I hot glued the flag on the pencil pole. And the final step is to put it all together. And I use my hot glue gun to glue the pencil holder pipe on the base and then the cube on the base. Put the pencil flag in there and this little Mario figure I had here, and it's done. And this is the final result. I love how it turned out. It's gonna look super cute on my desk or even here with my video game collection. I love it. Super cute. If you try to do this yourself at home and you post a picture on social media, make sure to tag me because I'd love to see the pictures or even video. And yeah, if you like this video, consider subscribing to this channel. I'll be posting lots of DIY videos and ideas here. Yeah, thanks for watching.